the biggest factor. However, may have something to do with China. While China operates only 2 aircraft carriers currently, the speed with which new carriers are added and its ambition to continue naval expansion pose a serious threat to the U.S. Navy. Lastly, there's a reason the U.S. Navy regularly conducts dual carrier operations in the Pacific, as newer network technologies allow for greater synergies between the carrier air wings and expand the capability to launch large-scale airstrikes from the sea. Scale could be crucial in any kind of major confrontation with China, given that vast land areas, coastal areas, and islands need to be staked or attacked in battle. As military experts have repeatedly pointed out, there are many steps in the kill chain that go from early detection of U.S. troops in an area to destroying them. If naval forces can interfere with even one of those actions by turning off sensors, disrupting command links, or intercepting weapons, the anti-access strategy collapses. This is as true for Russia or Iran as it is for China, although China always seems to be the threat of choice in current criticism. The U.S. Navy has successfully countered such strategies for more than a century and exhausted more than all possible adversaries to stay abreast of the latest technology and tactics. If you follow the death-line critics to their logical conclusion, what they are really saying is that no U.S. forces except for highly stealthy submarines and bombers could survive most of Eurasia as the century progressed. We'd better hope that's not true, because submarines and bombers alone are not going to win the war. At the very least, critics have to admit that well-equipped enemy land bases are far more vulnerable to destruction than carrier strike groups constantly maneuvering hundreds of miles from shore.